When this girl sneezes, a huge amount of dollars starts coming out of her nose, and dollars begin raining everywhere. Her sister collects the dollars and puts them into her purse. When the girl's energy runs out, she faints and falls onto the couch. Her sister lifts the pillow from under the girl's head, takes out a withered flower, replaces it with a fresh flower, and puts it back in the same place. Because of that flower, the girl starts sneezing again, and dollars begin raining throughout the house. Then her sister goes outside, finds a beggar, gives him a huge amount of dollars, and brings him home pretending he is a doctor to treat her sister. The beggar starts pretending to be a doctor. Then the girl's sister empties the medicine out of a capsule, puts the seed from that flower inside it, and hands the capsule to the beggar. The beggar puts the capsule into the girl's mouth and gives her water to drink. The girl starts sneezing even more, and dollars begin raining all over the room. Then the girl is taken to the hospital. After some time, her sister comes to visit her and sprays her again. But this time, the spray does not work. Then the girl opens her eyes and shows her sister a notice board. What happens next will completely shock you. But before you see it, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for your mom and dad's long life. Then the girl's sister folds her hands and starts begging, but the girl begins calling the police. The girl's sister runs away. Then the girl pulls the cotton out of her nose. Now the girl does not even have a single dollar left to buy food. The girl takes off her jewelry and gives it to the beggar. Akidana gives her